Okay, Logan, I have turned that off. I have power coming in here from my power source. I have a bench grinder hooked up to the output where the pump would be. I have two floats here, low and a high. Low float wired into that right there. The high float wired in there, upper float, it's marked. On the inside of the box, pretty much left everything yellow, black, and red on there. These are the same. That's off the normally open, so I left that alone. Yeah, we'll close the box. We turn on the power. We're in fill mode, I guess. No power to the pump. This would be your pump. Both floats are down, so your pump's not on. So right off the bat here, it seems to be working just fine. Low float comes up, high float comes up, pump goes on, high float down, low float down, pump goes off. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. The lights are working. Grinder seems to be working. No problem there. Just another demonstrate. Low float comes up. Nothing. High float. Pump turns on. High float. Low float. Pump is off.